So we are here. We just had our experience at the mountain coaster, and it was a little bit nice, but not though, because I was really expecting that it would really be running fast, but it didn't happen because the person ahead of us are a little bit scary, so that's why we had many stops. So I am speaking English because some of my friends are already from the United States and they'll be watching this. Okay, so I'm so beautiful, Char. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is your official Lakwachero, Red ang Lakwachero. Okay, guys, so we are inside here, a van. It's a very good van. We're heading for Dahilayan. So I'm with my co-stars with our concert. So I'm so excited because it's my first time to sing in a crowdless Dahilayan. So say hi, Mariel. Hi. And there's Lilay at the back. Lilay. Oh, that's Lilay. Yes, si Lilay kasi nagpa-practice mo siya ng vocalization for his, concert later. So maayos naman ang buhok ko ngayon. I love the color and I have the cord here. Hi, so we are now here in Dahilayan proper. So namin sa nag-rent the Uba-Uba going to Camp Phillips, but I did not Dahilayan. So from Camp Phillips we're going to Dahilayan. Bongga na. So nanay nahitabo nga deal. Wala kay balon sa ilang deal. So look at guys, ang mga balay dito sa Camp Phillips uniform, because this is used to be the house of their Del Monte staff. And now, wow! Wala naging mga unod ang pineapple. Asa lang social distancing out there. Long winding road, perfect. With all the plantation of the pineapples. This scenario, it's so nice, it's so rural, and the air is so fresh. So when you visit Camp Phillips, Bukidnon, try going to Dahilayan Adventure. Apple, there's banana. So it's a fruit salad plantation. And after the banana, there's papaya. There's so fruit salad. Perfect. Another side is the corn plantation, and the green of corn is isa ang taga-UK. Wow! Perfect! Wow, look at the pine trees, it's so tall! My God! Okay, so this is Dahilayan Adventure Park, ladies and gentlemen. So we are here in the entrance area. Okay. Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. So we are now here at Dahilayan Adventure Park. I'm so excited. It's my first time here. Oh my God, I can see the forest. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Red. Another ride. So this is a little bit scary ride because you need to This is much scary because, you know, it's so wet. And when it's wet, it's slippery. Am I correct, Chrysler? Yes. What is this plant flower called? It looks like a hot dog. Oh, delikado siya nga hotdog. Okay. My God, kung ikaw matusok ka ng hotdog, delikado. Masamad yun ka. Mas ganahan ko nga hotdog. No? Kay murag pondol live. Oh. There are a lot of hotdogs. And a Happy New Year! Chrysler, let's go! My God, look at the pine trees. It's just like you are in Baguio City. It's more nice.
Yeah. Wow! Sumuna siya ang room, Chris. Ilang night anak di ay? Oh, there's a room there, so you can stay there. So that's so nice.
Hi, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not in Baguio. I am actually in the Hilayan Adventure Park. It's so nice here because the ambience is so very good. I mean, the air is so fresh. Likewise with just like the face that I have now, it's so fresh. Correct? Joke. Oh guys, it's so nice here. Perfect yung kaayos. So when you visit Bukidnon, try to visit the Hilayan Adventure Park. It's so nice. There are a lot of rides here. So we just had our mountain coaster. The ride was not that's really exciting because again, there are circumstances that we need to consider. But I'll rate, I'll give it 6. Mas grabe gina akong experience sa roller coaster sa Dapitan. Grabe kaayo dito. Mutuyok yun 360 degrees. Yes. So, huh? What happened? So we're going up. This is actually 300 steps. Oh my God. Buisit mo na nga music, oy. Kundi iunong. Gentlemen, so we're just resting here. And I think this is their restaurant. So grabe. So we just had our rides and then we're about to leave and we were going to take our lunch. Yes. Grabe ka hang. So mag-lunch karon din sa ilato ng ranch. So perfect ang among lunch, no? Grabe kaayo to the extent na ang sabaw with matching sweet corn is so init agad siya. My God, look, this is only cheap foods but very delicious, as delicious as. Okay guys, so we're about to leave the Hilayan Adventure Park. So we had a great time here. We had a few rides and the ride was, you know, it's not, some rides are cool, some rides are not that cool. Okay? So again, when you visit the Hilayan Adventure Park, come here and stay because it's so nice to stay here. Okay, like a virgin.